Hi class, I wanted to take you on a quick tour of our course page in Canvas. You can see I have all of your materials and assignments arranged by week. I have the first 4 weeks outlined. Within each weekly module, I have important documents for this week, which would be, anything you would need to read or check out or watch. And then the graded assignments that you need to complete are in that section. Starting next week, we'll also have fun discussions, just, a fun interactions between you guys and me. Those, of course, are not graded, but since we're all kind of isolated, I thought this might be a fun thing for us to do. So when you click on an item, which obviously you've already clicked here, or you wouldn't be watching this video, but once you click on an item, I recommend you just click home to get back to that, kind of like that table of contents. You'll notice though there's also these next buttons at the bottom that literally just takes you to the next thing in the list, which is fine. It's just that you may inadvertently get yourself into the next weekly module, and that might be confusing to you. So yes, the next button will take you to the next item in the list, but it also will take you to the next module. So you'll see this virtual class 831 is in week 2. So I just like to click home to get back to, because it kind of looks like a table of contents. It's kind of like a map of what I need to do next. The discussions, to participate in the discussions, you're just going to click this reply button and either type, or if I tell you you can record your response, you can hit the record icon. And to submit assignments, it's basically the same way. So here's an assignment that you need to submit in week 2. When you're ready to submit the assignment, you literally just click this blue submit assignment button. So it's pretty easy submitting assignments. So I will see you online on the 31st in our first virtual class.